Okay, I think everything okay, right? Okay. Um, how's it going, everyone? My name is Kevin. Today I want to share with you how I implemented a search feature using RxSwift in an MVVM architecture. So as you can see right here, we have an application where user can search for movies. So it is a simple application, and here's a code snippet demonstrating this setup. So let me explain with you a little bit right here. So um, as you can see right here, I use table view to display this list right here, and this one I use UI search bar. So let me explain the logic flow right here. So for the view controller receive user inputs and passes into the view model for handling. And then view model provides the data processed back to the view controller for display. So from the view controller, I need to create a search trigger right here. So it is an observable sequence that emits the text value of search bar whenever it changes. So now we need to jump into the view model to see how I implemented the logic for the search feature here. So from view model, I need to confirm view model type right here. So we have two structures, input and output right here. We also have transform methods. Um, it is basically to transform from the input to the output, as I mentioned previously. So now we need to jump into the transform methods to see how I implement the logic right here. So as you can see right here, I am currently using the bow operator. So I have seen a lot of people use sorter, but it depends on your requirement. But let me explain the use cases for each of them. Sorters is ideal for handling button tap UI interaction where you want to limit the rest action. For an example, if user click on the button multiple times, you might want to limit the rest action to 1 per second. So the bounce is ideal for handling scenarios like text input for search queries where you want to wait for a pause the events before taking action. For an example, you want to perform a search only after the user has stopped typing for a short period. So the next one, I also use this thing until change right here. So that can make sure only unique consecutive values are processed. So you can have to avoid duplicate value. By implementing this code, so it makes your code more readable. So it can also easily to add unit tests to test the business logic for the view model. So from the view controller, we can add we can add UI testing to validate the content displays on each screen. So let's jump into the view. Let's jump into the test file to see how I implemented unit test for it. So it quite easy to add unit tests for the view model right here to test the business logic. So yes, I think that is enough for today. If you have any questions, please leave them down this video. And if you want to watch more, please hit that like button if you and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you in the next video.